Hey, Michael Church with crawlspaceninja.com, and today I'm going to share with you 3 crucial crawl space air seals that you should do or get someone to do inside the crawl space, so stay tuned. Okay, before I begin, I want to tell you that down below in our description page, we have a DIY crawl space encapsulation guide for every one of you, so make sure that you click that. So there are 3 crucial spots inside the crawl space that you should consider air sealing. Now you can do it after encapsulation or before, or whatever. But the funny thing about crawl spaces is, in the summertime, they're getting wet and nasty and moldy and all that kind of stuff. The air quality is just getting horrible down there. And then in the wintertime, most of the time, they start to dry out, whether you've got an encapsulation or not, because the humidity is lower in the wintertime. Now, the odd thing about that is that all that mold that's down there will actually start to make your house smell worse in the winter than it did in the summer, because whenever you turn on your heat, what does heat do? It rises, right? So as that heat rises up and tries to escape out of your attic, by the way, we just did 4 crucial spots to air seal in your attic as well. You should check that out down below. But anyway, as that heat tries to rise up out of your attic, it's going to suck the air from your crawl space and sometimes make your air quality even worse, because you're not opening your windows in the wintertime. You're sucking all this mold up from your crawl space. So here's 3 areas that you should air seal immediately when you get a chance. Number 1, you should go down there and check out all of the areas where you have penetrations from electrical, plumbing, and HVAC. Okay, some of the easiest ones that you're gonna find are the plumbing and the HVACs. Anywhere you've got a boot or your return or your duct trying to penetrate through the subfloor, go ahead and get our spray foam kit that we sell on our DIY page. The link's down below, and just start spray foaming all those areas. Just cover it up with spray foam, and that'll air seal around the HVAC boot, around all the plumbing areas and things like that. You can also use caulk if you want, but the spray foam expands better and works a lot better. So that's one place you want to check, is the HVAC, the plumbing, and the electrical. Now the electrical is going to be a little bit more difficult to find because a lot of times it's above the insulation. So if you have fiberglass or rock wool in your subfloor, you may have to like pull down and look and then kind of push back up and then chase the wires all over the place. And the other thing is, a lot of times they may have intended on putting an electrical outlet 1 spot and then moved it over 3 spots, so you'll have to look and see if there's any just holes left up in there that you got to deal with. The second place, which is probably the most crucial place to air seal in your crawl space, is actually the rim joist. According to buildingscience.com, that is what they call a crucial air seal. The rim joist is that wood that goes all the way around the outside of the crawl space, also called the band board or the band joist or something like that. So you want to make sure you air seal the rim joist. I've got a couple of videos about air sealing rim joists down below. I'm going to put links to, so you can watch some of those videos. The third place that you need to air seal is if you've got AC ducts, HVAC ducts going inside the crawl space. You want to make sure you air seal those where the runs are connecting to the main trunk, and then also the main trunk itself may need to be air sealed. And I also did a video about how to air seal AC ducts, and I'll put that in the description below. So to recap, you want to focus on the penetrations in the subfloor, HVAC, plumbing, electrical. You want to focus on the rim joist, and you want to focus on the HVAC ducts if you've got them down there. And don't forget about the attic. You want to air seal the attic as well. And my name is Michael Church with crawlspaceninja.com. I hope you like this video, and please like this video down below, and I hope you make it a happy and blessed day. Thanks for watching.